The scale of possibility for the Hunter is enormous.
We have the opportunity of transitioning now to new forms of energy.
Showcasing these organisations doing great things in the energy sector is not just about celebrating their success, it's also about inspiring others to see the opportunity for the Hunter to be a true power player.
We really need Newcastle to be a hub for a number of different industries.
The Hunter region, it's seen as the best place to buy energy in the world.
We've got all this technology capability, primarily coming out of the resource sector, which is itself transitioning.
We've got the electrical infrastructure, we've got the rail infrastructure.
And we've got not only the technical knowledge, but the education pathways.
The Hunter is the core and the heart of the energy network.
I think we're punching above our weight here in the Hunter in terms of tech dev.
We've got the greatest opportunity in this country to harness energy that's given to us free.
The Hunter is actually a very exciting little case study.
In 5 years' time, we would like to see the Hunter Valley as a renewable superpower.
We can be the first region in the world to actually producing printed solar at mass scale.
Our turbine is the best small wind turbine in the world.
The technology is called miscibility gap alloy, or MGA for short. They store thermal energy.
And we're taking people's homes in rural areas off the poles and wires, and we're giving them their own renewable energy power supply.
We're a battery technology company and systems integrator.
We've got all the ingredients to be a leader, differentiated in the global market.
In hearing these stories, you can't help but feel we're on the brink of some great achievements, which means really we're in the right place at the right time.